Hey Swaggy Swan family, thanks for tuning in again. This is going to be an incredible video. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own egg hair mask for your child. Yes, how to use eggs in a hair mask as a protein treatment to strengthen, moisturize, and grow your child's hair. Let me just tell it to you straight. This is what it is. I get a whole bunch of emails all the times from companies wanting me to promote their hair growth treatments and all types of stuff, and I have yet to commit to any type of company because I'm just not considering being a sponsor for a company yet. But I do end up doing my research to understand how are these companies selling their products for so much money in actual stores and online, and is there any truth to these products they actually sell. And a couple of these companies that have reached out to me, they use egg in their hair care treatments. I thought that was super weird until I did my research, and now I get why eggs are being used. Guys, stay tuned. You're going to be amazed when you see the results. And let me tell you something, by the time you finish watching this video, you're going to be adding egg to your child's hair as well, because this stuff works. Watch and see how I create this egg hair mask, and hopefully it'll work for your child too. You're going to need 2 eggs. You're also going to need some type of oil. So the oil that I use to make this hair mask is the Shea Moisture 100% extra virgin coconut oil that you see here. Also, my go-to, guys, the authentic Jamaican black castor oil that you see there. And you can get this directly if you look in the description box of this video. As long as it's not sold out, you can purchase it. I'm going to mix all this good stuff together, so you will need some type of mixing bowl. And watch and see what I do. Take notes, and this is so easy, affordable, and you don't have to go and buy those expensive products that they're selling out there in the stores. You can make this at home. You can probably do this in your child's hair once a week. Go ahead, crack those 2 eggs, stir that up nicely until you go ahead and get that yolk all nice and mixed up. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add that Shea Moisture coconut oil. Now, you don't have to specifically use this brand. This is just the one that I have. The way that I got the consistency to not be thick, I literally just kept it out for a couple of days, and it kind of melted on its own that way. I didn't melt it in the microwave. Then I'm going to add a whole bunch of drops of my authentic Jamaican black castor oil to the mixture. And as you can see there, that's about enough for me, and I'm going to mix everything up together. So once you get all these ingredients in the bowl and you go ahead and begin to mix it so it's a nice consistency, listen to the benefits while I'm mixing this up. The benefits of the egg hair mask protein treatment are this: the egg, the raw egg, has fatty acids in it. Now, this is what's important. The fatty acids are what are nourishing your hair. It adds sheen and luster to your hair, and that's what's preventing dry scalp. That helps reverse hair loss. The eggs have vitamin A. Vitamin A is what produces something called sebum from your actual scalp. That's what keeps your hair from drying out. And if it keeps your hair from drying out, it keeps it from breaking off. The biggest benefit, though, is the vitamin E from the egg, because vitamin E is an antioxidant that repairs and builds tissue. This is what's key for healthy growing hair. So those raw eggs is what gives a high amount of protein in the hair, and the hair follicles need this in order to become stronger. That is why the raw egg strengthens, moisturizes, and grows your child's hair. All right, so this is what you need. The raw egg theory really does work, and it's because of that. So once you've got a nice consistency here, I'm simply just parting Savannah's hair, finger parting it in half, and I'm applying the raw egg, yes, mixture all throughout her hair. So I'm getting a good chunk of it all in there, and now I'm just using my fingers, and I'm pretty much just putting the whole thing on her hair. That's what you're going to want to do. Take the mixture however you can get it all in there. Yes, there's going to be a little bit of egg chunks throughout your child's hair. That's okay. It's a mask. That's what the point of this is. Does it really have a smell? Actually, not necessarily. If anything, I smell more of the Jamaican black castor oil, honestly. And the way that I make my Jamaican black castor oil mix, it has a peppermint or a menthol smell to it. So it really doesn't have that kind of weird castor oil smell. It actually smells kind of refreshing. So that's what's overpowering this mask. You're not really smelling the raw egg. egg. So I've done the bottom half already. I'm just gonna work my way up to the top half, and I'm spreading around that egg mixture all throughout her hair. You want to get it through the scalp, through the ends, and there really is a lot of it. It goes a long way. As you can see, I still have a whole lot in that mixing bowl, and I'm making my way around her hair. You also want to do your research and learn again about this. Like I tell you guys, everything that you try in your child's hair, before you do your research. I don't care what YouTuber, including me, tells you or makes 1,000 videos about these products. Simply look it up first. Same way I did before you go and spend all your money out here on all these products on these shelves. Look up what they claim they're doing for your child's hair. Half this stuff you can make at home, like you see me doing, and I just spread the information and show you how you can do this stuff at home yourself. But anyway, back to the video, right? This also is really helpful for people whose kids have dry and frizzy hair. It's really helpful for that. And also the protein from the egg is helping your body to make more keratin, which also lessens breakage in your child's hair. So once you've gotten the egg mask throughout their hair, just let that sit for as long as your child kind of can take it and doesn't get restless. I let Savannah sit for a good 15 minutes. Then this is important. Wash it out in cool water. Do not wash it out in too warm or hot water, or the egg will cook. I repeat, the egg will cook and you will have chunks of egg in their hair and it'll be extremely difficult to take out. So wash that bad boy out in cool water. Once you've washed it out, just comb out their hair and look at this. This is literally so moisturized, soft, and silky. Her hair is pretty much untangled on its own. It's crazy. It is super, super silky, and I did not even use shampoo. I literally just washed it out with cool water. That egg, coconut oil, and that authentic Jamaican black castor oil mixture totally moisturized her hair from scalp to ends, from root to end, in such a way that's remarkable. Look how shiny her hair is. That's crazy. It acts as a conditioner, a moisturizer, and it is extremely one of the best treatments I think I've ever tried in regards to how silky and smooth it made Savannah's hair. And you see how thick Savannah's hair is, guys. So I can honestly say I understand why these companies have added and are promoting the whole raw egg stuff in their hair products. I get it. If you are looking at Savannah's curls like I am, you can see how the raw egg has literally brought out her curl pattern to a whole nother level. That's amazing, especially considering that I did not use any type of shampoo or conditioning product. This is a simple, inexpensive go-to. I really hope this works in other people's kids' hair. I'm excited to hear how it goes for you guys. Definitely leave comments. Comment below and let me know how it goes. This is so super inexpensive and I'm really excited about it. Let me know when you try it how it works out for you. Again, this would be for all ages, totally kid appropriate. I'm just gonna go ahead and style Savannah's hair. I don't need to put any product in it. I don't even need to use the thicker non-rubber bands. I can go back to the thinner non-elastic bands because it's not gonna pop in her hair. Look at that. It's so easy to style. It's smooth. I'm literally gonna do one ponytail up top, one down at the bottom. It's almost amazing on how silky it got her hair simply from using the raw egg, coconut oil, and authentic Jamaican black castor oil egg mask treatment. Only for 15 minutes. I'm almost wishing if I would have left it in a little bit longer, which I'm going to start to do, how much more silkier her hair would have been. I can honestly say and see why in all my research, everything I was finding said how the eggs truly does have the best element for adding sheen and luster to hair. So now I understand. I guess raw eggs truly does have the fatty acids that add sheen and luster, because I can clearly see sheen and luster in her hair. Y'all, this egg mask is everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright guys, so this is her hair when she does not have the two ponytails in, and as you can see, it is literally glistening. It is completely moisturized. The fatty acids from the raw egg totally has taken over her hair and moisturized it. It is not dry. Savannah's hair is just popping. There's no other words for it. I strongly encourage you to really do your research, like I always say, and look into just natural remedies and ingredients that you have at home, so you're not breaking the bank and spending a lot of money on a lot of these products in the stores if you truly don't have to. Hope this egg hair mask information has been extremely helpful. Don't forget to try it and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys.